Hello people, today we are going to see the demo of BankBot, a loan assistant to user. Here on the welcome screen you can see a cover photo, profile picture and about me text along with a get started button. It is a messenger chatbot built using Python, FB Messenger, and Dialogflow. In the About Me section, you can see the purpose of the bot. On clicking Get Started button, user can start communicating with the bot. So, on clicking on this Get Started button, our bot will greet as a welcome message and ask, "How can I help you?" So, I'll reply with "Hi," and our bot will give us a appropriate response like I am a loan assistant or whether I am looking for a loan or not. So here we have provided with a three quick replies like yes, no, talk to agent. So we can click on this live quick reply, or we can type our response also, and it will work accordingly. So here you can see a bot responded like yeah, so our plan is here, so are you ready? So I clicked on sure, and the bot will provide us some card along with the different option. We can add any number of card, there is no limit, like education loan, home loan and car loan for dummy purpose we have used. So we can click on these any of these buttons like know more, loan benefit and apply loan. We can get to know about all the information regarding this loan, like for education loan, house loan. So if we are interested, we can also click on this button loan benefit regarding any specific loan, and we'll get to know how it will benefit us. If you want to apply, we can directly click on apply now, and bot will ask few question like to proceed with the loan, like whether I am a new customer or a existing customer. So I clicked on your customer, so the bot will ask few information. I am giving information so that the loan process can be done. So this is some of the information which is required by the bot. This is all dummy information I am providing. So like this, thank you Vishal Pandey. Bot took our name, and we need to know some of the financial information also for the loan processing. So how monthly a person can save can help to grant the loan easily. For how much duration the person want loan for, so I chose 30-month only. I want floating interest rate. So this is the information the bot fetched, like you want to apply for education with floating interest rate for about 30 month of loan period. Do you want to proceed? So I can say yes to proceed or no. So this all depended on me, so I say yes. So here the bot has responded like thank you for your application, your application number is this, and the agent of the bank will communicate to the user for the further processing. So this help us in lots of issue resolving, like going to bank, getting information regarding loan and everything. So this bot will help to resolve all that and directly help to communicate with the agent for the further loan processing and document verification. We have another option over here, like quick menu. Here we have provided three options like visit website, contact info or start here. So user can click on visit website to visit the bank website, click on contact info to gather the bank number or anything else, or click on start here so to start the conversation again. So let's explore another option provided here, like I'm not looking for loan, so I can go for this thing. So it says like no problem, just check out the loan plans we have, and best market, it is in best in the market. So if you want to explore, you may like that also. So there's two option, we can go to view the loan plans like we did earlier. What are like education loan, home loan, and these are the loan plans they had. So we can view directly from here, and if we change our mind, we can apply for the loan also, or we can directly talk to the agent so for more appropriate response regarding the loan. So here we, after clicking on talk to agent, an actual person will communicate with the user like, hi, my name is agent s, ask your loan query, loan for 1 year only. So bot responded like, agent is offline, will inform you once available. So this is how this bot will help us to solve all the issue or problem related information gathering and application prerequisite submission, and the directly agent will communicate with the user for document verification only. And this can also help in further processing of the loan and all information regarding loan in future also. So this bot is quite useful. We are also exploring a lot in this one. This is just a basic feature of this bot. Thank you so much.